How to enable back button on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android device. Click on Buttons and Gesture in your settings. After that, in here, click on Navigation Bar and Gestures. In here, simply click on Back Home Recents, which is the first option. It will open buttons on your device. You can also click on Navigation Bar Customizations at the bottom and then customize however you want. You can also turn on Swap button and turn on Swap the order of recents and back buttons. And this is how to enable back button on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.